Good morning to all my awesome friends. I, of course, am late like usual. We all know Grandma cannot never make it on time. I'm joining in with Pink Spring Decor Challenge 2021. This is a little bit of the playlist. And as you can see, we have some awesome creators here that have come up with some awesome, beautiful displays. Please go over and check out the playlist and see who joined in. This is being hosted by Annette with Decorating Aunt's Place. Great creator. Please go check out her channel. She always has beautiful things on her channel all the time. Shelly with Pretty Inspired by Pink. As you can see, Shelly always has a beautiful display of items on her channel too. You will love everything you're going to see on hers. She makes the most beautiful pink inspired home decor you've ever seen. And then we have Suli at My Style, My Color. Another awesome channel that does a lot of pinks on her channel, and they are always so beautifully put together also. And then we have Tammy of the Glam Queen of DIYs. If you want to see some beautiful DIY projects with lots of glam, that's the girl to go see. Please go check out all of these awesome creators that joined in. And don't forget to check out the playlist. There's some awesome creators that joined in and put some beautiful things together also to inspire us to put something beautiful together for Easter or spring. Now let's see what Grandma did. Pretty and pink for spring or Easter. Believe it or not, everything you see I already owned and had. This is a zero cost post. Hope you're enjoying what we've come up with. Everything you see I have used multiple times in past posts. The little bird nests that you see really are napkin holders, but they're so pretty I'm using them in my home decor. The little bunny on the bicycle I bought a couple of years ago. This bunny is new, but he's been in several past posts, so we're not writing him off as a cost because he's already been written off. As you can see, I've added a few more teapots to my collection. Have some new blue and white napkins here. Are they not beautiful? I kept the tablecloth simple for it didn't overwhelm the table because I wanted the items on the table to be what popped off of the table. This is my flower runner that I've already put up in a past post, and these all button together. Are they not beautiful? or you can use them as placemats if you'd rather. I didn't use a salad plate on top of my plates because I wanted to show how cute these bunny plates are that I own and have. Oh my gosh, are they not the cutest things you've ever seen? And of course, the container that all these eggs in are a couple of years old. I thought I would put some other eggs in there. This container has been on a few posts, and I threw them full of eggs also. Let me know what was your favorite on this floral arrangement, or did you like the dessert tray? These desserts are all fake. They're not real, but they are beautiful and colorful, are they not? And of course, this lantern I've used in multiple posts, and I took everything out and put different kinds of Easter eggs in there to give a variety. Thought it turned out really nice. Let me know what you think about that. Also, let me know what you think about repurposing the napkin rings as table decor. I thought they turned out super cute. You would never know they're napkin rings the way I placed them on the table. What do you think about my pink spring decor for 2021? Oh my gosh, I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you thought. And let me know what was the favorite piece that you saw on this tablescape today. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Hope you enjoyed what you saw. See you in the next video, my awesome friends. Don't forget, if you're not already following me, please think about it. And please click the like button. I just wanted to share one more time my cute bunny with his top hat and the beautiful flowers next to him. They have both been up on multiple posts, but he is one of my new favorites for this holiday season.